everybody, welcome to Logging Giants. Today let's learn how to unlink or remove Facebook account from our Instagram. So for that you gotta open your Instagram page and to your profile section. There go to 3 bar and click settings option. There you will find account option, tap to that. And at first, a couple months ago, Instagram used to have this feature of linked accounts, but now they have changed it to sharing to others app option right here. So we will press this. As you can see that my Facebook account is currently linked with my Instagram account. So if I want to remove it, I'll press this. And again, we will go to accounts center option. There again to accounts option. And now if I want to remove my Facebook, I'll click here. And if I want to remove my Instagram, I'll click here. For now, I want to remove my Facebook account. So let's click this remove option at the first. And we continue. And we confirm again to remove our Facebook account. And now the Facebook account is completely removed. You can see here the Facebook account is no longer linked with anyone. So that is all for today, people. Comment below if it's not working for you guys and we will help you out. Till then, stay safe.